Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik here. In this episode, we are going to take a look into what are the make money online schemes available in India. Do these things actually even work? What is the truth behind these make money online schemes that nobody tells you about? Let's take a look. Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik. I've been blogging and doing online marketing for the last 10 plus years, both in the US and Middle East. I've been helping small and big companies win online with online marketing, but I got bored, so I quit my job in the US and I returned back to India. So today I'm back in India and I started my own blogging venture. So in the last 10 plus years, whatever I have learned, I share on this blog as well as this video channel. So if you like my channel, please do subscribe. So, make money online schemes, you know what I'm talking about, right? Every day when you go online on Facebook, YouTube, or blogs, you see a lot of people talking about how you can make money online by just taking surveys or visiting websites or blogging and different other things. And you know in the back of your mind that this is, something is wrong here because this sounds a little bit too good to be true. So what is the reality behind all these things? So as someone who's been in the online industry for the last 10 plus years, I can tell you that if somebody promises you a get rich quick scheme, that means somebody else is actually making money through you or off of you, which means you are being utilized, you are being used by somebody else and they are making money online, not you. But I'm not trying to say that none of these schemes work. Of course they work, there is a formula behind it. But the problem is that nobody tells you the entire truth. They only tell you the good sides of it. For example, there are a lot of people on YouTube or Facebook or wherever you want to search, you'll find people talking about how you can make money by taking surveys or by typing or writing content. On the outside, what they say is, here's what you do, go to this website, register and just write content and somebody will start paying you for the content. That is not right actually. So what actually happens is people pay you only for your skills today. I was reading another article the other day on, I believe it was on Gizmodo, where CEO IBM was talking about how they are going to hire people in tech space based on skills and not degree or school or which college you came from. Because today in the tech space and basically in the online industry, skills is what matters. So what can you do to add value to other people's life? Can you write content that makes sense, that actually saves somebody else's time? Then yes, there are people who are willing to pay you for that. But you can't just go to a website and start typing and immediately get paid. That doesn't work. If at all anything, it only adds a lot of low quality work in that space and gives you the wrong expectation. So if at all somebody is saying that you can make money online by doing something very trivial or very silly, like taking surveys or visiting a website or doing very, very small things, that means they are getting paid for referring you to that service and you will just end up being tired because at the end of the day, you're not going to make any money. So number one fact that you should know is that there are no get rich quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it is too good to be true. It is not true. Number two is that even blogging, which I recommend a lot, takes time. Right? And that is the thing that nobody tells you. It takes a lot of time, at least 5 to 10 years to actually make serious money, like in lakhs. So I make a lot of money through blogging, but it didn't happen overnight. It didn't happen in a month. It didn't happen in a year even. I started blogging some 10 years back, even 12 years back. So what happened after that was I just kept on blogging without any money coming. Actually, it was making money, but it was just peanuts, like a few dollars every day or every month. And money wasn't my motivating factor. So what happened was I kept blogging because of the motivation to reach out to different audience, get people's opinion, feedback and those kind of things. But what happened over a period of time is, I think after 6 years or 7 years, suddenly I started getting a lot of traffic. And this is the case, this is the experience that I've seen many top bloggers share with me, or even YouTubers for that matter. You make videos every day, it continues for months, sometimes even years. And what happens after one particular time, which you can't actually predict. I mean, I wish if there was a formula to kind of predict that, as in which time will you start actually making money, big money. You can't predict it. All you can do is be consistent and stay with this for as long as you can. And at one time, once you get to that tipping point, you will see that the traffic is going up and you start making money. And this is the case with me, this is the case with all of the top bloggers that I know personally. So this part nobody really talks about. They don't say that it'll take 5 years to start making money. All they say is, hey, start blogging, make money. Or take surveys, make money. It doesn't work that way. So this is the truth. The third thing is that you have to be very, very consistent. And for being consistent, you have to be passionate. So if you're in any of these things to make money, if you're taking surveys, if you're writing emails, if you're writing content, or if you started blogging for making money, it won't make you happy because it'll disappoint you pretty soon. Take any top blogger, ask them how much time they take to make money or start making serious money. They'll tell you that it took a lot of time. And it takes consistency and passion to stick to what you're doing. Because let's say you start a blog tomorrow because I told you to, and then you start writing content. After 1 month, nothing happens. Maybe you get a few hits from your friends and family. After that, you write more content, and then you get a little bit more traffic from people on social media perhaps. But after 1 year or 2 years, it will feel like a drudgery because nothing really comes out of it. And your motivation will go down because you are motivated by money. And if money doesn't come, you are going to be demotivated. So please don't get into any of these get rich quick, make money online schemes for money, because you have to be consistent, you have to be passionate about it, and it takes a lot of time. And the final thing is that for most part of it, it will only pay you peanuts. So choose something that you're really passionate about and stick to it. And it's easy to stick to something that you're passionate about. If you choose something like Bitcoin or something that you're not passionate about, you can't be writing daily articles about it. You automatically don't become the authority of it. It will show that you're trying to do this just for the money part of it. But if you pick something that you're really passionate about, then it shows. People can see the passion in you. So guys, I don't want to make it too long. The reality behind make rich money or make money quick online schemes is that somebody else is actually making money off of you, right? It doesn't work unless you're passionate, unless you're consistent, and unless you have the time to dedicate to it for a really long period of time. And even after all of this, it will only pay you peanuts for most part. And slowly, gradually goes up from there, but it will start by giving you peanuts. Don't expect like thousands of dollars coming in every day from blogging or writing content or taking surveys or any of these. It will take a lot of time. So only if you're passionate about it, get into it, because don't get disappointed. Not many people will talk to you about this. I, being in this industry, know the ins and outs of it. I can't be lying to you. So I'm just being honest and fair to you. Avoid such schemes. If somebody tells you that you can make money online very quick, ask them this question. Have you done this? How much time will it take? What should I do exactly? And how much money will it take from me? And only if you're satisfied with the answers that you get into it. But otherwise, stay away. I don't have anything against make money online schemes. I sometimes even tell that blogging can make you money, so get started with blogging. But I also tell that it will take some time. Don't expect going in immediate returns. Alright guys, thanks for listening. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, and also connect me with on social. I have the links down in the description. Do check it out. This is Mani Karthik signing off.